What's up, guys? This car that I'm standing in front of is my personal collection piece, which is a 1991 Mercedes 300CE. The car is finished in a 147 white over a red interior, and the car is in absolutely immaculate condition. I acquired this car back in 2022, and the car was in absolute perfect condition when I received it. It's a one family-owned vehicle, and my plans with the car were to pretty much create the ultimate AMG coupe that I can. All the parts that are on the car are original, authentic AMG pieces, which were new old stock. I have all the paperwork, the photos, and everything to prove that these parts were absolutely brand new before I painted them and put on the car. The car is fitted with 17 by 8 front and custom 17 by 9.5 rear, which I extended monoblock Aero 1 wheels with the Michelin Pilot Sport tires. I've lowered the vehicle with the H&R Sportline springs, Bilstein B8 suspension. The rear wing is an original authentic 3-piece AMG wing. The interior of the car is fitted with a Recaro CSC, which was the period correct seat for the year. It's the original German leather, which has the same original grain as the rest of the interior with the white piping. We've done the front seats, the rear seats, and the 4 door cards, front and rear quarters, to match with the piping. The headlights are original Bosch European headlights with the period correct matching Bosch fog lamps, and the car was completely ice blasted underneath, suspension, undercarriage, engine compartment. We completely took the car apart when we did the ice blasting on it. This car has just been an incredible car. I personally built it for my use, and I basically spared no expense in making the car absolutely perfect. The sound system is a Nakamichi sound system with focal separates. It's got Alpine amps, so it's got an amazing sound system in the car. So all around, the car is just a beautiful piece. I've owned the car for about 4 years, and I've driven it everywhere. I probably put about, I'm going to say, 2,500 to 3,000 miles on the car. The car went to Monterey twice. It was an award winner at the Legends of the Autobahn. The car also got transported over to Chicago for the 233 West meet. This was a pre-merger AMG meet. It was the first ever done, and it was amongst an incredible group of about 15 to 18 AMG vehicles. The car gets a lot of attention. It runs and drives absolutely perfect, and it feels great. It's a car that I really don't want to part with, but it is something that I'm going to have to let go. The reasoning for this video is because we have nothing to hide on this immaculate vehicle. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions in regards to the car, or ask for any photos that are not posted. This car is absolutely perfect. I stand behind it 100%, so definitely bid with confidence.